Paying your enrollment deposit.
This mandatory $300 deposit is suggested by June 1st. It counts as a prepayment towards your fall tuition and covers the orientation fee. Let's get started.
Log into your Wingspan account using the Quick Links drop-down. Enter your username and password to log in to open the Wingspan gateway. Go over to the left and click on Account Summary and Payments. Click View Statements and make a payment. It will take a moment to load this next page. Click on the Make Payment button to open your account payment page. Go to the left and click on Current Account Balance. Enter $300 at the box to the right. Be sure you only pay $300. Remember, the deposit covers the cost of the orientation fee, which some of you may already see here in your account. Click Continue to go on to the Payment Method page. Select your payment method and continue. Complete your transaction. Notice you will be paying for the spring 2021 term. Don't worry, the cashier's office will forward this payment to the fall 2021 term on your behalf. Be sure you confirm your payment and receive a receipt.
Congratulations! You've claimed your spot in our fall freshman class. Welcome to Winthrop University.